Are you swimming at night?
Yes. Because it's so Daddy, that's it!
There she is.
Two bugs right here that I don't even like right here. Ew.
Oh, man. Get them off.
No.
Splash them. You don't have to touch them. Splash them. There you go. Good job. Lacey, I need you to go away a minute. It's a good one. Lacey, back away from the pool, please. We'll get him. I'll get him. Go get your suit on, okay? Go get your suit on. We'll stay away from the edge, please. Okay? Good one. You mean the heat?
It's getting a little silly.
Probably the wind, honey. It's cold out.